Hello. Welcome to Canal Reina DSP. Today I want you to learn 5 proven ways to give mature, sagging skin a firm look on the arms and legs. For years, we have been bombarded with skin products to keep our face young and wrinkle-free. We have seen thousands of products that promise to make those small wrinkles disappear and keep our face bright and young. But what about the skin of the rest of our body? Skincare companies have failed to recognize that our face is not the only part of our skin we want to keep looking young. Although there are many body lotions available on the market, they are not as targeted as face products and usually have only one simple goal: hydration. Of course, hydration is important, but is it enough? That's why I want to introduce you to the Balaayah Black Gram Body Booster from the Ayurveda Experience. This is an exclusive oil for all your skin. Enriched with the multiple benefits of hydration, firmness, and internal nutrition of established and proven Ayurvedic herbs like black gram, Himalayan yolk salt, castor oil, sesame oil, and more, as it moisturizes your skin, reducing aging, dry, and sagging skin of the legs and arms throughout use. Perfect for everyday use. What are you waiting for? Click now on the description link and get your booster today. Good for today is just. If you liked this video, leave your like and subscribe to our channel not to miss any content. Thanks for watching our channel, and until the next video. Bye.